Hello everybody, welcome to learn our course called Native Architecture. In this lesson 26, we will study how to install Docker in the created instance. In the last lesson, we have prepared for the Kubernetes environment in advance in the Amazon cloud. So we have created three hosts, such as in this slide we can see in this slide. The one is as the master node and the other two are as the workload. But now they are only Kubernetes package software in the operating system. So we can in this slide, this is the Kubernetes cluster installation, and there are different components of the Kubernetes needed to be installed, such as the master, the scheduler, API server. Okay, but we have learned that. So first we need to install the container runtime in this host. So first we need to install Docker in the three created instance. So here we open this. We have logged the three instance. Okay, and here, yes, this is the master node workload 1 and workload 2, and now we have logged the three instance. We can say it's private IP address. Okay, here this is 10.02.9 and this .2.119, and okay, this 10.02.21 212. Okay, here. And now we can hear in this Docker official installation guide. Okay, we check our OS version, and we can use this LSB release -A. Okay, we can see our OS version is the Ubuntu. Okay, and this is the specific version. Okay, 18. Now, yes, we install Docker engine on. Okay, we just hear this. If we had the old version, we need uninstall the old version because we didn't install this version. We just see the link. See here. So install using there are many three types of the installation. We just use the install using repository. Okay, here we use the sudo iptr, because here in all the three terminal, hey, they are all done. And okay, now we install this. Yes, we first we update the package index and install package to allow apt to use the repository over HTTPS, because we use the HTTPS protocol. Okay, yeah. Because this is the ready. Here add Docker's official key. Okay. And in this here, Mm. Okay, and here use the following command to set up the stable repository. Okay, here. Yeah, now we need to install the Docker engine. So first use the sudo apt-get update to update the apt package index and install the latest version of the Docker. Okay, here. Okay, so what this command will be finished. And now we use this to install the Docker engine in the 3 instance. Yes. And here install the in the workload and also in the workload. Okay. Here we can see that now we are installing the Docker engine in the master load and the workload. Okay, just wait a few moments. We can see this guide. If you want to install a specific version of Docker engine, you list the available versions in the repo and select and install. Okay, here you need to install the Docker CE equals the version string of the Docker. Okay, here we can see we have successfully installed the Docker engine, and okay, we can use this docker run. We can use this command docker info. So we need to use the sudo docker info. Yes, here we have installed the docker info. This is the plugins, and this is server version. We can see we have installed the Docker engine. Its version is 20.10.10. Okay, we can use this sudo docker info in the two workloads. Yes. Yes, okay. Now we have installed the Docker engine in the master load and the workload nodes. Okay. Yes, now we need to do some post installation, such as reboot automatically after the reboot and reboot, or the we need to we should just we can use the docker command without sudo, so we can follow these steps in the post installation steps. Okay, we can manage Docker as a long root user. So just create a Docker group. Okay. Okay, the Docker group already exists. Okay, so we need to we need to add your user to the Docker group. Okay, because now user group is Ubuntu. Okay, we can check ID Ubuntu to show its group. Now we can hear this is the user Ubuntu, and its groups are the Ubuntu Adam, and also here Docker. Okay, and we can also log out and log back, log out and log back in so that your group membership is revalidated. We can, but in your Linux, we can use this command to reevaluated. Okay, here we just we can use Docker run. You can use this test Docker image to run the Docker commands without Docker. So we just here Docker info. Yes, we can here. We can issue this command without sudo. We directly use the Docker info to show the Docker version and the Docker details. Okay, Docker info in the workload. Yes. Okay. Yes, we have set this successfully, and now we configure the Docker to start on boot. So we just can here use this command, the sudo system control enable Docker service, and okay. Okay, here we can, if we are on Debian and Ubuntu, the Docker service is configured to start on boot by default. To automatically start Docker and container on boot for other distributions, use this command below. So we needn't to use this command, but we can check our use systemctl status docker.service to show its status. Okay, here we can test use reboot sudo reboot to check whether the Docker start on boot. So just wait a minute. If this instance reboot successfully, we can use the Docker info to check whether we use this command, systemctl status docker.service, to check whether the Docker service is running. Okay, now we need to log in to the Ubuntu master node. The Kubernetes master node is here. This here. First, no, yes, the instance restart successfully, and okay, we use this. We can use this set here. Yes, we can here. In the Ubuntu Linux distribution, the Docker service is running, and the Docker start on boot automatically. So now, okay, we have successfully installed the Docker. Install the Docker in the 3 loads. So that's all. Thank you.